Evening to everyone. I am Katya Anil Kumar, host and moderator for today's discussion, and welcome you all on behalf of Bahujan Students Front, UOH, to this panel discussion on the body of Professor Kanchaila's work. Today's discussion is titled When Words Are Weapons, a critical reflection on Professor Kanchaila's writings. The idea of conducting this discussion was conceived after the release of the latest work, The Shudras, A Vision for a New Path, a collection of writings of a distinguished group of young scholars, which was edited by none other than Professor Kanchailaya Shepherd. A brief note on Professor Kanchailaya is as follows. Professor Kanchailaya was born on 5th October 1952 in the village of Papayapet, Warangal district in Telangana state. His family belonged to the sheep grazing Kuruma Golla caste, which is considered as one of numerically dominated subcaste among the Telugu speaking states. The name Ailaya came out of their caste deity Inoli Mallanna. Inoli Mallanna, Kattamallanna, Komaraveli Mallanna, Odela Mallanna are the geographical locations, peaks situated in Deccan Plateau, through which shepherds usually travel in the quest for fodder for their sheep and goat. Thus, it is believed that Inoli Mallanna was the chieftain of shepherds. Ailaya was inspired by his own mother, Kancha Kattamma, as she was at the forefront of the shepherd's struggle against the forest guards' discriminatory behavior. She was killed during a violent confrontation while protesting against police brutality. Kanchailaya Shepherd has an MA degree in political science from Osmania University, Hyderabad, and an MPhil awarded for his study of land reform in South Indian state of Andhra Pradesh. He was awarded with PhD degree for his work entitled Political Thought of Gautama Buddha. Later, it was published in the form of a book entitled God as Political Philosopher, Buddha's Challenge to Brahmanism. He has been recipient of Mahatma Jyotiba Phule Award and was a Nehru Fellow between 1994 to 1997. He also bagged Lisa Award for his magnum opus, Why I Am Not a Hindu. In 2012, he got retired from his teaching job in Osmania University after 38 years of study, research, and teaching. Currently, he is serving as director of the Center for Social Exclusion and Inclusive Policy at Maulana Azad National Urdu University in Hyderabad. Some of his notable writings include Why I Am Not a Hindu, a Shudra critique of Hindutva philosophy, culture, and political economy. The Weapon of the Other, Dalit Bahujan writings, and the remaking of Indian nationalist thought. Buffalo Nationalism, a critique of spiritual fascism. Post-Hindu India, a discourse on Dalit Bahujan, socio-spiritual and scientific revolution. And God as Political Philosopher, Buddha's Challenge to Brahmanism, and Turning the Pot and Tilling the Land, Dignity of Labor in Our Times. And his memoir titled From the Shepherd Boy to an Intellectual. As a public intellectual, he shaped and nurtured the anti-caste politics with his own mark on it. He played a critical role in shaping many discourses. His influence on people, and especially in academia, is immense. Our interest on his work is not only because of its scholarly richness, but also it represents an anti-caste tradition and thought. Thus, reading him fertilizes our political imagination, transforms our way of thinking, our style of thought, and above all, our whole political project. It disturbs the ruling class mindset so much so that while working as a professor in the Department of Political Science at Osmania University, several of Ailaya's colleagues as well as academics affiliated with the university expressed in an open letter their concern with respect to certain articles and opinions Professor Ailaya has contributed to a local newspaper and advised him against writing material that could inflame sectarian discontent or prejudice. BSF HSU's association with Professor Ailaya has been one of the constant engagement since the very inception of our organization and many in BSF have immense respect for him and his scholarship. With all this being said, let me also put forward a few reservations that we have with regards to Professor Ayala's work. For instance, as a political analyst, he is the first one who, Professor Ayala in his long career has done several roles. For instance, as a political analyst, he is the first one who prophetically foretold the coming of Narendra Modi to power in 2002 and 2007. He is also a shepherd, by the way, but as a shepherd, is he guiding his people in right direction? The shepherd of the Bible says, I am a good shepherd, I know my people, and my people know me. But does Kanchaila shepherd know his people, and his new people know him? And who are these people? In his recent work, The Shudras, A Vision for a New Path, many say the shepherd himself has gone astray from old path and old people. As an adventurer, an unrelenting Viking, he finds a new map and seems to be exploring new political frontiers. First with the political formation called BLF, Bahujan Left Front, and now with Y.S. Sharmila's YSRTP. Thus, he seems to be proposing a new path and accordingly promote new politics that reflect his vision. But these new paths, which seek to challenge Brahminism, themselves seem to us to merely replace new form of dominance over the old ways. Do we need such a revolution at all? Ask many scholars. We at BSF felt that his latest book is a shift from Ayala's exposition as gleaned from his earlier body of work. Thus, in our opinion, a discussion was necessitated to critically reflect on Professor Ayala's work, which have undoubtedly been one of the most influential works in recent history of Bahujan literature. Thus, we are very excited about the discussion today, and we have here with us a select group of speakers who have already engaged with Professor Ayala's work in the past. We have tried to include scholars from the younger generation as well as contemporaries of Professor Kanchaila to give the discussion greater range of perspective, old and new. The discussions also represent different social groups, which makes for a vibrant engagement. Thus, without further ado, let me introduce our panelists. We have with us Professor Y.S. Alon, professor from JNU, V. Geeta, a social historian, Professor Soumya Chamma from HCU, Mr. Praveen Talapalli, a PhD candidate from JNU, and Aravind Banawat from HCU. So each speaker will be given 20 minutes to make their presentation, and at the end, Professor Kanchaila will be responding to each. We might further take up a question or two from audience if time permits. We'll open the discussion with the youngest speaker, Aravind Banawat. Aravind Banawat is a postgraduate student with the Department of Sociology, University of Hyderabad. He regularly writes and engages with the current political development. He recently published an article in the News Minute on how Professor Kanchaila's work has influenced his thought process and life world. Over to you, Aravind. Aravind?
Yeah, maybe I have to,
Unmute, Aravind.
Yeah, I did. Arvind, you can go ahead, Arvind.